This is my book. That is my house. Those are my plants. Increase your reading skills with short and easy sentences. In this lesson, children practice reading sentences using the demonstrative pronouns. They are pronouns that point out specific things or objects, like this, that, this, and those. So, are you ready, children? Let's begin. This is my ball. This is my pen. This is my doll. This is my bag. This is my work. This is my sister. This is my pillow. This is my friend. That is my chair. That is my school. That is my school bus. These are my books. These are my pencils. These are my crayons. These are my toys. Those are my pets. Those are my friends. Those are my gifts. Those are my shoes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.